In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.